And hello, folks, on a Saturday. I'm Tom Kavicka. We're going to talk a little bit of weather. Got a weather pattern change coming. I think you're welcome to change if you want rain and lower afternoon temperatures. So the tower cam here for our Texas Street Cinlar Broadcasting shows that we've got some clouds in and around the area. We have seen a few showers today, but that was expected. I had 10%, keeping that covered. And then going up to Natchez, likewise, we see some clouds floating, and it's got a little bit hazy up in that direction as well. So headlines that I'll be talking about. First of all, the pattern change starts tomorrow, and that will lead to a daily chance of rain and thunderstorms every day next week, and then some severe potential coming in, mainly in the Sunday, Monday time frames. I'll discuss all this in detail. So radar showing a few showers to the south of us earlier. Now there's a little bit happening up in northwestern LaSalle Parish and northeastern Grant Parish right in there. Otherwise, essentially that's about it for us working in and around the area. So satellite and radar showing most of the energy right now is traveling to the north of us. It's staying in that direction, but you can see this energy coming in out of Canada into the northwestern states, and that eventually will kind of dig down into our area, tap the heat and humidity that we've had lately, and make some rain and storms out of it. So severe potential. This is a level 1 and level 2. You can see most of this is in the central and northern parishes. This is for Sunday night, and early Monday, and then going into the remainder of the day Monday, it shifts mainly to the eastern parishes, but still a level 1 and 2 threat. And again, I'll call that limited. So severe threats, Sunday, Monday, a little bit of details. First of all, the bars. The good news is all the bars are staying low. Overall bar is low. Flood and tornado bars are very low. And wind looks like the primary thing in this next sequence of events that we would have in the Sunday, Monday time frame. So here is a little textual description here. Again, Sunday, Monday. So there are big, it looks like to me kind of 3 chances in the time frame. First of all, Sunday afternoon. When it gets hot, and Sunday evening, be pretty unstable. Anything that develops, I don't look for much coverage. There are not many storms, but something could develop and become severe as hot and unstable as it's going to be. If that doesn't happen, we've got another chance at severe weather Sunday night and Monday morning. There's going to be a convective system, an organized area, a group of storms move through the Red River Valley counties of South Oklahoma and northern Texas. And then as that heads in our direction overnight Sunday, it will weaken, but there could still be some severe weather. That's why we have the low chances. Doesn't look like a big event here. Could be up there though. And another chance Monday in the PM, when it gets warm enough, gets unstable once again, we could have a third chance of severe weather. And all of this, the threat level is limited. 1 out of 5 and 2 out of 5. Kind of outlined that earlier with the SPC maps that we showed you. Enhanced events not expected with this. So the risk levels for severe wind, that is 58 miles per hour or higher, is up to 15% across the area, mainly across northern parishes. The hail risk up to quarter size and larger is 5%. Some areas have the most at 5%. Again, that will be in the northern parishes there for the first couple of rounds, the PM Sunday and then the Sunday night and Monday. And then going into PM Monday and the rest of the time frame, I would say that it would be in the eastern parishes. Risk level of tornadoes all the way around less than 2%. So again, you never know. Some of these things could overachieve. It's been awfully hot and humid lately, and so some of that residual unstable air could still be around and again cause some of this to overachieve. But Nick and I'll be watching it, so monitor your weather sources, and we'll be talking about it. So Futurecast, let me try to sum this up once again. Here's your church time, Sunday school, Sunday morning, say around 9 o'clock. No problem. There could be a stray shower in our northern parishes. There, no severe potential there. Going into the midday forecast, likewise, maybe a couple of more showers than earlier, but no real issues there for your Sunday. Unless you're up in the northern parishes, you would have a little chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. Once again, go throughout the day. This is 3 o'clock. Notice how we have some hit and miss showers and thunderstorms. That is what I was talking about. That would be the first round when it gets hot and unstable. 1 or 2 of those could go severe with some strong wind or some hail. Probably have a lot of lightning in it as well. Now, as we look into the overnight period Sunday, just after midnight, we'll start to see what's left of that convective system that affects North Texas and Oklahoma come into the area, and there could still be some severe potential with that. So that's the second thing I was talking about. Then that gets out of the way, and once we go into Monday evening, we'll start to see maybe some chances across our south eastern parishes, maybe for some storms, and into our eastern parishes. So that's kind of summing things all up for us. So for your 7-day forecast, again, got the severe weather outreach here kind of listed, and the Sunday, Monday, and into early Tuesday time frame there. It'll be a hot day Sunday, feeding that storm fuel to some of these storms. Will be I had to adjust the temperatures up a little and the chances down Monday as we kind of reconfigure things. These convective systems are very difficult to predict. So yeah, there's going to be some alterations in the forecast. So I've already performed that. But the very high rain chances continue Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday. There's going to be a little boundary front involved in that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. But notice the lower afternoon high temperatures. They're staying in the 80s for the most part. They're starting on Tuesday. Morning lows will be in the low to occasionally mid 70s, which is near typical. That's still a little above typical there, though. But the headline would be the storms every day from Sunday into Saturday. So your yard and your garden get more than one drink out of this if things happen the way this forecast is. Again, Nick and I will keep you informed in any severe potential and any severe weather warnings that will be issued. All right, well, thanks for being with me. I hope your Saturday has been safe so far. And looking into Sunday, hope your Sunday will be blessed.